Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Today we're going to do something kind of cool with this old wardrobe. Not sure if you guys know or not, but we do have a brick and mortar store. It's called Windmill Vintage Designs, and we are located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're in a strip mall next to Cost Plus World Market. So if you're familiar, you'll know where that is. I'm going to go on in and check out this little creation I made. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go. We're going to be using some DIY paint and the new Painterly Floral by IOD. I really love these old wardrobes, but I gotta admit, this one was super plain. I found this picture on Pinterest and I thought, oh man, can I create something similar to that? Here's my journey, and yeah, let's do it. And here we go. All right, so as you can see, this is just a big plain wardrobe. First thing we're gonna do is gut this. Let's get this mirror off and get all the original shelves out so we can create something new. I really didn't know where to start on this, so I figured I'd start with something I could do. I cut out some 1x2s to make support beams for some shelves. My intentions for this at first were to be a full liquor cabinet. Then I started thinking about it and I thought, this might be fun to have Wake Up on one side and Party Town on the other. Let's go ahead and take some sheets of pine and we're going to cut into them just a bit with the table saw. Not all the way through, just going in there a bit, do a lot of passes, and we're going to use this to hold our wine glasses. Now that I have that completely shaved out, I'm going to go ahead and file it down and sand it and cut it directly in half. This is Little Black Dress by DIY. Brush is a Klingon F40. Klingons are my favorite. You guys know that if you watch my videos. They're absolutely super smooth and I love them. Let's go ahead and paint the entire inside. Let's go ahead and hang up the wine glass racks that we made. I just pre-drilled, put a screw in there, and we'll go straight into the top of the cabinet. Now that I cut that board in half, we'll just go ahead and separate a little bit. I just took a wine glass and made sure that I had the right separation and then screwed it all in. And what do you know? It works! Let's take some pretty trim so we can make this look a little nicer. Now it's time to paint the outside. What I'm going to do is go back and forth between my paint and some water. That way, my paint is really going to absorb into this cabinet. This cabinet is really old and dry. This is going to allow my paint to go a lot further. All right, now it's time to seal this bad boy up. I'm going to take my big top, pull it into my Cricut sprayer, and get this whole thing done inside and out. All right, this is the new Painterly Floral Transfer made by IOD. It comes with tons of designs. We're gonna check this out. You need this applique stick, so don't lose it. So basically you just take the ones you want, you cut them out, and then you apply them to your piece. Let's put some of these awesome sunflowers up here. And baby Atlas stopped by for a short visit. I just had to show you guys him. He's so darn cute. All right, let's stage this bad boy up. I just love the way it turned out. I made that little coffee sign with my silhouette machine. And let's get it all ready so we can see what it looks like.
You're still with me all the time.
Really love this idea for lighting this cabinet up. I don't have to worry about cords and all that stuff that come with string lights.
Snap.
Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me a lot. Want to see more videos? Come on, guys.
All right, guys, so that is it. Let me know in the comments below if you think it turned out cool. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys are awesome. I hope to see you in the next video.
You're still with me all the time.